Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SOUNDENDANG. I'm Bagus Andreabady. Today, I will share about how to maintain a submersible water pump machine using only simple tools. Use 3 wooden bars that shape like this to open the machine. And then clamp the wooden wrench to the machine using any bolts and nuts. Next, push the wrench down anti-clockwise till one of the engine caps loose. After cleaning and reassembling all parts of the machine, then insert a piece of rope into the 2 upper hook holes provided by the manufacturer, because usually plumbers only install rope in these holes. However, it would be better to also tie it at the bottom and connect it to the top to make it safer. This is how to tie in the ropes together, so that if the weight of the ropes is pulled down, the ties will grip more tightly. Next, prepare a bolt with a hole the same as the size of the pipe, then split it in the middle and then join it back together with 2 springs. So it's easy to open and close it using just one hand, while the other hand can hold pipes or other tools. So when we work, we don't need an assistant at all. You know, in connecting pipes like this, how important is the split board as a tool to make the job easier. All works will be completed quickly with only simple but useful equipment. Let's see, the water pump machine is working well, and the water flow is quite large too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, try share it with your friends. Also, please click the like, subscribe and share buttons. Thank you so much, and see you in the next videos. Bye.